officials of US Consulate that we are human rights activists, civil society members and political members. We are standing outside your gate, your US Consulate Lahore. Please, we have announced earlier also half an hour, but none of your representatives came to visit us to get the memorandum from us. Please, I request again, if there is any representative in the consulate, please come outside. And we are here, Paswan Democratic Party and Afia Movement. We are standing outside your gate. Please, we request you to get our memorandum for the human rights of Afia Siddiqui, who is in US jail, whose registration number is 90279-054, who is since 17 years in US jail, and she is deprived of her all rights. Even in by law, in US prison law, there are human rights of a prison. She can meet parents, she can meet their friends, family members, she can meet her lawyer, and she can meet her other fellows. But unfortunately, United States claims itself champion of human rights around the globe, but we are observing the worst situation of human rights against Afia Siddiqui. We condemn the behavior of US government and US jail authorities. Please, we are here to awaken you for the human rights of Afia Siddiqui. We are standing half an hour more for waiting for you. Please, thank you.